What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Goku with his gi half sort of torn off from the Moro arc. So let's give this a go. I'm in a landscape page. Use a pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So his eyebrows were slightly different than the anime in the manga, right? We've no W in the center of his eyebrows, right? So we just start with the eyebrows themselves. So we tick a line like so, and then square end, and then it gets skinnier as we go down, and it kind of comes to a point in the manga, right? It kind of gets a little bit pointy there at the front. So the other eyebrow, same sort of thing, right? So we just go up and down. Some of this might go under hair, but we'll draw it in anyway. Pointy at the top. Okay, and then square sort of Dragon Ball eyes, right? So we've got like short line, and then a long line, and then we just join those together like so. And do the same on this side, short line, long line, join together like so. So his eyes are pretty big when he's in Mastered Ultra Instinct, right? Big silver eyes. So you just do a curved line coming down from the eyebrow, like so. And then his pupil, color black. Same thing then on the other side. Just go down around. Pupil. Like so. We could have like a frown line just kind of here and here, but it goes under his hair, so I'll just do one here. Okay, so his nose, this sort of J, letter J sort of shape, hooks down around. And then we do the shadow on the side of his nose. It's always drawn in like that. And then his mouth, pretty flat, close to the nose, and like curved down the side. And then we have a shadow underneath his bottom lip, and the hatching lines underneath his eyes, so the cheek lines. Same on this side. Like so. So chin, square enough sort of chin, just there. And then his jaw comes up the side. And jaw comes up the side on this. And you're stopping sort of mouth level, like across from his mouth, and underneath, let's say, the corner of his eyes or his eyebrows there. Because that's where you change direction up the side of his face. Like that. So then we have hair, spikes, and fringe. Okay, so like fringe, this one come down across his face, right? You can do it any way you want, but I'll just copy from the image. Like in some, like the fringe will go the other direction if you want it. This spike comes down across his eyebrow into there. You could have some like hairlines, like so. Then another hair spike on this side. And then a fourth small one just out here. And then his ears. So big ears in Dragon Ball. So bottom sticking out that way. Big ears sticking out here. Like so. And then ear lines inside. So lots of different ways of doing this now. A letter J I find is the easiest way to start, but then you can like add more stuff. More lines if you want. Like so. Right, so then the rest of that classic Goku hairstyle. So let's go out from this side first. So we go small spike. And they gradually get bigger. So, and there's some overlap. There's a little different to what we normally see. So that's interesting. So we go up here, right? But he has two in the middle. Maybe it's just because the manga. So say like one here and then like that. And then a small spike here. Gradually getting bigger. There, and we have that round section. That, right? And then there's a little small one here. And then another one going up here. And then the big spike there. And then another one here. So slightly different variation on Goku's hair, with like this one going like straight that way and these two things here. Interesting. Right, and then you just add some texture lines to his hair. But I think I'll leave it there. Right, so we'll go on and do anatomy now. So, neck. So we can see his neck coming down from just the side of his jaw. Coming down here. Right, and then we got neck muscle going towards the V in the center of his chest. Then Adam's apple there. So what I meant with the V in the center of his chest, so like in Dragon Ball characters, and well, most people, your neck muscles, all humans anyway, your neck muscles join your collarbones. But Goku's collarbones and his chest muscles are like the same because he's so muscular, right? So say here, his chest muscles will come out from here, right? His chest muscles say come around. His gi cuts his body in half going this way. You see, just kind of slice down that way. And then his trapezius will go into there, and the trapezius on the other side goes down here. Okay, so center line for his chest is around like this. Chest muscles. Shoulder on this side. There's another little bump here, and then the shoulder real round, like so. Like that. The shoulder on this side, just to get things sort of even, right? It's the gi sort of has all these bumps and folds. Right, and the blue sort of sleeve here as well. Right, but you're roughly the same distance. So from here out to see this side. So there and there about the same. So the other shoulder muscle will be about here. Okay, so if you wanted, you could like copy this side and then do the gi, but So it's kind of up to you, really. So one arm comes down here, so we got like tricep. It's kind of different style in the manga. So shoulder muscles here, and then the bicep just comes out and in, and you have bicep muscle, and then like the side of his body. So like say his gi just here, and then his side body. So we'll go in here, and then like his ribs or something there, armpit, right, and then we can see like some abs and stuff just coming out like so, and then like his elbow and forearm, mostly forearm. So he's kind of wirier in the manga, like he's not as crazy muscular. Like his arms are longer, it looks like. Okay, so the other arm, tricep, bicep here. Shoulder muscles, right elbow, forearm. Like so. And then we have his gi on this side and his waistband. There's all rips and tears going down here. So let's see, orange part, and then the torn blue section. I'm just doing this kind of random, you know, I'm just zigzag kind of. I'm not being crazy careful about it, because you don't have to be, really, just like that. And then there's these lines that come across his waistband and coming down for the trousers. His pants kind of baggy, lots of fold lines, and then fold lines here, like so. And oh yeah, that's symbol, so it's like a lightning thing, like that. And we got a scar in his chest, and it goes around kind of like in a circular sort of pattern, kind of like a sun. Like so, right? Scratches and dirt and like stuff on his face because he's been in the fight with Moro, so lots of these battle scars and stuff on him. Like so. But that's it. That's how to draw Goku MUI with his gi torn from his fight with Moro. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.